Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about SoFi Plus. What is SoFi Plus, and is it worth the hype? I was asked by multiple people on the emails, say, hey, John, can you continue to keep us updated on different bonuses? And SoFi, they're constantly updating what they have. These are all nationwide offers. So I just wanted to make one huge update video with the release of the SoFi Plus. So as you can see here, John Plus, yes, I am a SoFi Plus member. Is it worth the hype? So we're going to be answering that question in this video. All right, so before we jump in any further, quick disclaimer. I am a customer of SoFi. I am not affiliated by them. I am not endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All the screenshots are either from the SoFi app on my phone or from their website. All the information is current as of time of this recording. Next thing is I want to give a huge shout out to new friends of this channel, Deputy Bailey and Deputy Ruiz. Definitely want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your service. When people are having like the worst days of life, they make the phone call, which has the three numbers 911. And typically people, they want to run away from those type of circumstances. But thank God for deputies like Bailey and Ruiz, who they come in tense emotional situations, and they handle things with grace and professionalism. So definitely want to give a huge shout out and thanks to Deputy Bailey and Deputy Ruiz. Thank you once again for the thin blue line, and thank you for your service. All right, so moving along. So I'm a high school math teacher. Got a quick question. We got a quiz. Why do people get paid? This sadly is not taught in high school. It's not taught from anywhere in the continuum from kindergarten all the way to high school graduation. So I want to teach everybody watching this video so you can teach others. People get paid to solve problems. If you solve little problems in life, you're going to make little money. If you solve bigger problems, you're going to make bigger money in life. That's just how it works. All right, so what problems do banks have? Who's got money? Banks. What problem do they have? They need new customers, and they're willing to pay nicely to get new customers. And when you get really cool companies like SoFi who are willing to pay really in a bunch of different ways for customers, so it gets really cool. It gets really profitable too. So my question to you is, when was the last time your bank paid you to open up a bank account? And let's look at what we have. How much money are we talking about? So I have a $2 million challenge for the year 2022. What does that mean? Well, I want to help at least 1,000 people make at least $2,000 from these videos in 2022. So if you can appreciate profitable content like this from this channel, please do me a solid favor and give me a thumbs up on this video. Definitely do appreciate that. All right, so what is SoFi Plus? So finally into it. SoFi Plus is a fancy way to reward loyalty to SoFi by sending your direct deposit to them. So the interesting thing is banks do want people to be loyal. They want people to be entrenched into their different ecosystem, and I'm in deep, and I really like SoFi. This is from their website. What is SoFi Plus? It's their first ever premium membership product and intended to ensure members get the most out of their money at every turn. We created SoFi Plus based upon feedback from our members on where you wanted more support from SoFi to meet your financial goals. We took those ideas to inspire a membership program as unique as our one of a kind reward program. SoFi Plus is designed to act as an easy upgrade to your whole financial operating system, unlocking premium benefits that give you a boost on your journey to financial independence. SoFi Plus provides you the best value for using all of SoFi's products and services together, giving you peace of mind that you can turn to SoFi for all your financial needs. And I make so many SoFi videos. It's no secret that I really love what SoFi has to offer. So here is a list, a menu of their different benefits for SoFi Plus. And we're going to go through all of them. 3% on banking balances, 2x rewards on qualifying activity, preferred access to IPOs. I'm going to kind of skip that one. IPOs were like really big last year and the year before, but not so much this year, so they're kind of irrelevant. No fee overdraft coverage. I'm going to skip over that one because I always decline overdraft coverage because, if you can't afford to pay for something, use a different card or just wait. 3% back on credit card purchases, 0.25% rate discount on personal loans, and up to 2-day early paycheck. So first thing we're going to talk about is, okay, so I've been a member since October 11, 2022. I've been having over my full paid teacher paychecks going there over $1,000 per month to access all the benefits. So keep that date in mind. October 11, 2022 is when I joined. That's when they got my first direct deposit. So that's going to be, just remember that date, October 11, 2022. So I made speaking of direct deposits, I made a video about SoFi. They're offering people up to $325 for a direct deposit bonus. So that's for new and current customers. If you've never collected a direct deposit bonus from them, then you can collect this on top of the other bonuses. Here are their newest terms and conditions. These expire January 31, 2023. So basically, there's two tranches for this. Once you send in your first direct deposit, you have a 25-day evaluation period. So basically what that means, you have 25 additional days to have more direct deposits put in. If you have between $1,000 to $4,999, you get a $50 bonus. If you can manage to get over $5,000 in there, you get a $250 cash bonus. Plus, if you use my referral code, you get another $25 to sign up for SoFi checking account. So if you don't have a SoFi checking account and you've never gotten a direct deposit bonus, you can get $25 bonus for signing up for that. Here is the crazy long referral code, or you can hit the QR code here. Where I had the video link here, I'll leave the link to this video up here so you can get full. You have a link to the video here, but just understand that these are the updated numbers. So if you have questions on exactly what's being described, I don't want to make another video on top of this one when I already made a video for it. All right, so SoFi Plus benefits up to 3% APY on checking balances, and this is a snapshot of what I'm currently receiving as a SoFi Plus member. 2.5% APY on the checking account and 3% on the savings. Why the 50 basis point discrepancy? I don't know, but I have absolute bare minimum in my checking account, and everything else is in the savings account. I took full advantage of this $1,000 bonus. So I made a video on this. They're offering up to $1,025 savings account bonus, nationwide offer, new and existing customers. No direct deposit required. Love the 3% on top of the $1,000. If you want to see this video, then I got a link to this here. The only thing that's changed with this is this offer did expire. Supposed to be paid out December 14th, but there are other $1,000 bonuses out there. All right, so 2x reward points on qualifying activities. We're going to look at the most beneficial qualifying activities. I made a video here on $212.70 investment account bonus. It's an extremely accurate number for I'm a high school math teacher, dollars and cents. Nationwide offer quick paying daily bonuses. I love this. They changed it. So if you're curious about here when I'm talking about how to get this, I got a link to this video here, but here is the updates on this. It used to be you got 100 points equals $1. So basically, they got recurring crypto coin purchase. You actually have to purchase the crypto coins, and with how much they've been dropping, no thank you for that for me. But here's what they have here. This is 100 points. They got these diamond points, which are worth money. 100 points equals $1. They got recurring deposit into invest. Here's the one I've been hitting over and over and over. $50 deposit minimum up to 3x a week. So instead of 7 days a week, it's now 3 days a week. Instead of 50 cents, it's $1 per time. Deposits process on business days only. So whenever I redeem, I redeem 100 points for putting. I do $51 at a time. It used to be I'd put in $51. And then as soon as I could take the 51 out, I would take it out and I would collect 50 cents per day. That's $156. Doing that 7 days a week now would turn into $1 a day, 3 times a week. So that's $156 per year, which is not bad at all. And you can see what I did here. November 18th. They also have login streaks. So I've been logging in for about a year straight every single day. And I get 20 cents per week, which does add up. So last week I had 1180 points redeemed to the savings. But you can see here, November 21, recurring deposit to invest, earn 2x with a plus. So instead of 50 cents, I collect $1. I put straight in the savings account. Let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. Same thing. So every 3 times a week, I'm collecting $1 per day. So spending on credit card, 2x per dollar. Refer a friend on the credit card. I plan on doing a full credit card video on that. Activate credit card, you get $10. Adding the credit card to a digital wallet, you get points for that, $2. Set up auto pay. You actually don't have to use auto pay, but they pay you $10 for that. First purchase on credit card within 30 days of account approval, 200 points, which is $2. I'm going to include all this in the credit card review video. Auto pay posted, another 20 points. So they have other benefits here. 3% cash back on credit card purchases. Must be new to direct deposit or your credit card. So if you're a brand new credit card customer, I would recommend waiting. Have your direct deposit hit. October 11th is when they got my first direct deposit. Friday, November 25 is when I actually got this. When I got this message from the app. Congratulations, you finally, they should have put the word finally in there, unlock 3% cash back on your SoFi credit card for a year. Maintain your direct deposit to keep this offer. This benefit took the absolute longest to activate. It's annoying how long they took, but for the sense of transparency, that's how long they took. The benefit maxes out at 36,000 points, which is spending $12,000 per year. You get 360 back. So that's pretty sweet. I also got another $300 sign-up offer. So I'm going to include that in the credit card video, but that's a pretty sweet deal right there. I wanted to wait until I actually got the 3x points to make a full review video on the SoFi credit card. Stay tuned for that. It's going to come out soon. 25% rate discount on personal loans. Direct deposits must be $1,000 a month or more. So I made a video on how to collect a $600 personal loan bonus. You're limited to one per lifetime on this. I already collected, so I was not able to take advantage of this, but I do have a link to this video up here for additional information on it. So I have received the SoFi loan bonus before. The 25 basis point reduction is irrelevant to me because as soon as I got the loan, literally I paid it off. I paid all of it off except for like $10. And then once I collected the bonus, I paid off like the $10. I owed like $10 or $20 in interest, but I collected a much bigger bonus. So I don't keep loans like pets. I'm just here to collect bonuses. If you're interested in the SoFi referral link for the loan, you can collect $300 on this. And basically, as I said, I'm here to collect bonuses and not to collect, not to pay interest fees. So here's the ridiculously long referral codes that SoFi has, and also a QR code for this as well. SoFi only allows one referral bonus per customer, so choose wisely. So that does not include the direct deposit bonus because that's its own separate thing. But you can only collect one, either checking account bonus, like the referral bonus, or the investment bonus, or the loan bonus, or a credit card bonus. So that's limiting to it. So choose wisely if you're eligible to get a SoFi loan bonus. Definitely appreciate if you, or any of the other bonuses from referrals. Definitely would appreciate if you use my referral link for that, so you can make additional money from SoFi because they're willing to pay people to be customers. Up to 2-day early paycheck. This is probably the most impressive thing I've seen from SoFi. The second, because I'm supposed to get paid the middle of the month and then the end of the month, and I already got paid a few days ago, and it's like November 25th, I already got paid when I'm supposed to get paid at the end of the month. So, yeah, I'm super impressed with how fast they do their early direct deposit. All right, bank account bonus central verdict. SoFi Plus is currently worth the hype for me, as I am collecting 3% on the savings account bonus for the $1,000, 3% back on credit card purchases up to $12,000. I have ways to spend money without actually spending money. So I'm going to be taking advantage of that. I also really like the $156 annual investment bonus. How long will I keep SoFi Plus? Well, it depends on who will have the next better offer. Right now, it's the best thing going that I see for my direct deposit. Stay tuned to this channel for many, many more bonuses, including a year-end review that I'm taking my list of the bonuses I've collected this year, and I'm starting to put that video together. I'm gonna go over each and every single bonus I've collected this year. So I've been doing this for 5 years. Question: did I hit my $10,000 per year goal? Well, you'll find out. More importantly, will this inspire you to collect bonuses from banks that need new customers and are willing to pay nicely for them? So that's the big question from this channel. So here's another question: is why should we give thanks to God? This is Thanksgiving week, and this is just, to me, a very appropriate question. We should give thanks to God because through Christ, through Jesus, there is victory over sin and death. This world is a world full of disappointments. I mean, you get older, you get slower, and you don't always make the best decisions. Sin is making mistakes. It's a sporting term. It's more than it is a religious term. Sin deals with the sport of archery, and the goal of archery is to take your bow and arrow and to hit the target. When you miss the target, that's called the sin. I mean, you can look up any archery competition video on YouTube, and you hear the word sin over and over and over when somebody misses the bullseye. We sin all the time. But Jesus gives us victory over sin and death. I mean, that is just an amazing promise in 1 Corinthians 15:57. 2 Corinthians 9:15 says, "Thank God for this gift that's too wonderful for words." I mean, there is no better gift than the gift of eternal life, of peace and joy and fulfillment in this life. That's one thing I've received about a year ago when I fully surrendered my life to Christ. And that's one thing I want to share. To me, new life in Christ is a lot more important, and it's a better thing than not just sharing a bank bonus, but it's better than all the bank bonuses out there. I mean, eternal life and peace and new life through Jesus is the most important thing ever. I was talking to a friend of mine about being born again. I said, why? And I said, well, our first time around, nobody had to teach me how to sin. Nobody had to teach my kids how to sin. Nobody had to teach you how to sin or how to lie. We were messed up from birth, so we got to be born again. There's additional information on this, on how to follow Jesus, from gotquestions.org. How can I be saved? Definitely invite you to check that out. You can't take anything to heaven with you besides people you invite. So more importantly than bank bonuses, I want to invite as many people as I can to take part in victory over sin and death. So that's that. And speaking of sin, internet pornography is one of the biggest addictions there are out there. The sad truth when I heard about it was the average age of a person, a female who is trafficked, is the age of 11. I mean, that broke my heart as somebody who's got a daughter around that age. And it's online pornography is the biggest thing that fuels the trafficking industry. It's a very difficult addiction to get over. If this is something in your life, there is help for you out there in the form of Covenant Eyes. I have a referral link in the description box down below. I am an affiliate for Covenant Eyes. It's on my computer that I use. We just paid our yearly membership. And to me, it's worth the peace of mind that my kids use the computers and cell phones, and we don't want them to accidentally type in something wrong and see something that they shouldn't see, that nobody should see. So if this is something that's in your life, I mean, the average age that somebody's exposed to this is less than 10 years old. I was exposed to it earlier than that myself. So this is just an awesome thing. Definitely recommend. If you use my referral link or my affiliate code of bank bonus, you get your first 30 days free. So definitely check that out if that is something of benefit to you. And finally, I do have comments off for these videos. If you got any questions about bank bonuses or anything like that, feel free to contact me at churningadventures@gmail.com, and I'll get back at you. And finally, if you're here still with me, definitely do appreciate that. Please subscribe, share, and like this video, as I do make profitable content on a consistent basis. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.